How to cancel MGM Plus subscription. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now, navigate to the option of subscriptions. Once you're in this page here, you'll find different sections as active and inactive subscription. Under active subscription, you'll find the option of MGM Plus. Click on that. With that, at the bottom right, you will find the option of cancel subscription for it. Click on it. You'll get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm. With that, you have just cancelled the subscription for MGM Plus. Now you won't be charged anymore. And the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the MGM app or the account will not cancel your subscription, and the subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. So this is how you can easily cancel MGM Plus subscription. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.